Located in Kolea, west of Algiers, built in a natural environment and surrounded by green landscapes, Stein factory is at the forefront of technology in terms of tobacco production. Stein was created in April 2002 with a mission to manufacture and distribute tobacco products in Algeria. Stein has signed license agreements with major international tobacco companies, mainly Philip Morris International, Imperial Tobacco Group and Japan Tobacco International, and completed the construction of an ultra-modern factory, which first stone was laid in February 2007, where it produced its first cigarette, a Marlboro Full Flavor, on January 17, 2009. Currently, 7 brands of cigarettes in 17 variants are produced at Stein factory with international standards in compliance with quality requirements from the trademark owners. The factory is spread over a total area of 65,250 square meters, including 14,400 square meters of built area. The factory buildings were designed and built to the latest standards to ensure maximum efficiency and safety of people and goods while providing optimal working conditions. Particular attention was given to the architecture of the premises, a modern design that reinforces the technological dimension of the factory and offers a pleasant working environment as reflected in the administration building to the aesthetics and decoration, pronounced ergonomics and comfort. Let's discover the production hall where modern equipments are installed to produce and pack cigarettes with their ancillary equipment for tobacco feeding system, filters making machines, dedusting equipment and all the laboratory equipments ensuring the highest quality of manufactured products. These equipments have been carefully selected based upon Stein needs in terms of performance, flexibility, reliability and safety. The factory currently runs 6 production lines manufactured by GD in Italy and with a capacity of 10,000 cigarettes a minute, equipped with the latest technology. 3 filter making lines manufactured by Italian ITM with a capacity of 500 milliliters a minute. 6 tobacco feeding systems with an automatic dedusting system manufactured by Commerce in Italy. A cigarette ribbing machine and laboratory equipment for quality control from Cerulean Borgwald. As part of the development program to cope with market demand, 2 additional production lines will be installed in 2011 with all ancillary equipment. And with 6 complete production lines, Stein will be producing 12 billion cigarettes in 2010. Let's see how it all works. The raw materials, tobaccos and non-tobacco materials are supplied by our licensors from different countries: England, Germany, France, Portugal, Turkey and Greece. It reaches Algiers port and is delivered to the warehouse before arriving to the factory to be used for production. Raw material goes through a physical quality inspection in order to be approved and stored in warehouses to be used for production needs. The boxes with the cut fillers are placed in front of the tobacco feeders and are automatically reversed. To avoid any mistakes in the feeding process between the different produced variants, a continuous human-led monitoring is necessary. In the next step, tobacco is sent by the feeders through a pneumatic system to the cigarettes maker, running at a capacity of 10,000 cigarettes a minute and producing the cigarettes with specified and controlled tobacco weight. The dust and impurities are separated from tobacco and put apart. Cigarette rods obtained after gluing are cut along the length of the cigarette with an automatic control of weight and diameter. The resulting product is thus transferred automatically to the assembling unit, which adds to the rod the cigarette filter put together with paper sleeve and glue. The double cigarette generated out of this process must now be cut in half and transferred through barrels to the exit of the machine. Quality control is performed throughout the making process with internal devices that reject any non-compliant cigarette. The resulting volume of cigarettes is then transferred by direct connection through the conveyor belts in a buffer machine called TAS-20, which controls and regulates the flow of cigarettes conveyed to the packing machine depending on its production speed. Then comes the making process, where the cigarettes go to the packer machine called X3 with a capacity of 500 packs a minute. These cigarettes are then packed in individual packets. The cigarettes are inserted into pockets, then wrapped in aluminium foil and then transferred into the packets folded by the machine with perfect precision for a consistent package quality. The packets are then transferred to the cellophane machine called C600, where they are packed in cartridges and shipping cases. The shipping cases are then stored in the finished goods warehouse and then dispatched to the distribution centers. All the bags carry a traceability code allowing Stime to collect at any time the required data regarding manufacturing details such as materials used, production line, shift leader and inspector in charge. The quality control is done automatically at the machine and by extensive laboratory tests. Samples are collected and examined with different measurement devices through two types of control, one physical and another visual. Control of physical parameters: tobacco moisture, tobacco weight, cigarette diameter, resistance to draw, ventilation and filling power. Visual control. All non-conformities are detected according to the dictionary and classified faults in a computer system that add its results of the final product quality. The complex production process is managed by an information system at the cutting edge of technology, equipped with an integrated package of computer-aided production management, CAM-C-Log. Thus, it calculates the needs in terms of demand planning, reception and consumption of raw materials. In addition, it generates work orders and shipments of finished products. The system also recognizes and analyzes the costs and records technical data. It also monitors key performance indicators and flashes out any discrepancies. Equally, the factory is equipped with an information system managing the whole quality control process by means of marking and tracing the movements of raw materials and finished products via mobile scanners. This whole production structure relies on utility systems located in the service building. The latter has all the equipment necessary for the proper functioning of the factory. Industrial inverters and generators are responsible for supplying all production equipment in case of main power failure. And to ensure optimal conditions for a quality production process, groups of air conditioning and humidification are also installed to maintain a temperature of 22 to 24 degrees Celsius and humidity ranging between 55 and 60%. The factory is equipped with pumping station and water treatment installation. These two stations cover all drinking and industrial water needs. To date, Stime employs 680 people, including 410 at the plant. Out of these 410 factory employees, 52% are highly qualified engineers, high-skilled personnel and technicians. Stime has been very selective in the recruitment process and has paid particular attention to young academics. Led by a group of highly skilled managers, they strive every day to achieve maximum optimization of the industrial equipments. To enable the staff upgrade their skills and improve their performance, a series of training sessions lasting between 6 and 15 weeks is provided to all technicians in the fields of management, machine operation, maintenance and quality control. In terms of storage, Stime has an area of about 15,500 square meters for raw material, including 2,500 square meters in the factory and 6,200 square meters for finished products, including 400 square meters in the factory. For Stime, health, safety and environment are the major priorities that fall within the overall objective of quality and respect of the environment. Here are some examples of safety equipments installed in the factory: fire extinguishers, smoke control systems, fire hoses, safety signs, hydrants, network sprinkles, firefighting water tank, firefighting pump, smoke detectors, fire retardant doors. In the same context, the factory provides its staff with medical coverage. A doctor and 3 nurses are available at any time for any intervention. An ambulance is also available in case of emergency. Steim staff enjoys all the amenities for their well-being, including a canteen that offers a daily catering service. Following this overview, it is clear that Steim has won the challenge of setting up a factory meeting all aspects of modernity, technological advancement and safety. Steim has been able to acquire and apply in a record time the know-how from its trademark licenses. Fueled by a will to succeed and thanks to a 100% Algerian staff, Steim fulfills the market needs by offering a superior product that meets the highest international standards.